모르겠어요.
나 시이타케가 야삭한.
되게 기라이?
응.
Starting with soup base. Last night, I soaked kombu and dried shiitake mushrooms in water and now fully hydrated. They need to be soaked for at least 1 hour, but depending on the type of dried mushroom you use, it may take longer, so please follow the package instructions. For ginger and this tobanjang paste, it's a little spicy, so feel free to add more or less. I'm making this for kids, so I keep it pretty mild, like 1 teaspoon for each. But if you are in a team spicy like myself, feel free to add more, like 1 tablespoon for each. Feel free to use any vegetable you have in your fridge, such as napa cabbage, sweet potatoes, kabocha squash, onion, cabbage, daikon radish. Options are endless. To add richness to the soup, we're gonna add fried tofu. If you're not plant-based, chicken, seafood like salmon and cod would be a great options. Now it's time to add all chopped vegetable except for bok choy and tofu into the pot. Close the lid and simmer until the veggies are tender and tofu is heated through. While it's simmering, let me share the story with you. Once upon a time in a bustling city of New York, there lived a woman named Michelle. Her daily meals were a small rotation of protein shakes, granola, and the occasional sandwich for lunch, followed by a predictably fixed dinner. However, a whisper of desire for cleanly variety began to stir within her. While exploring YouTube, Michelle stumbled upon the enchanting Japanese recipes. The videos painted a picture of beautifully arranged tables adorned with the miso soup, steaming rice, and delightful side dishes. Each view excited her growing curiosity, but the daunting question lingered. Where to begin? Determined to embark on this culinary adventure, Michelle found herself drawn to a unique membership. The platform offered a guided video tutorials, providing her with a starting point. Her initiation into this community marked the beginning of an incredible journey. Starting with miso soup, which Michelle found in a weekly meal plan, the journey was not just about the cooking. It was a transformation. As the days unfolded, she progressed to mastering the rice dishes and gradually expanded her repertoire of authentic Japanese cuisine. The membership wasn't just about the recipes. It was a getaway to a supportive community. Their virtual meeting became a space for mutual support, where success and challenges were openly shared. 4 months into her adventure, Michelle found herself effortlessly crafting traditional Japanese meals. But this story isn't just about the culinary mastery. It's about the subtle changes within. Weight loss and unexpected calmness settled within her mind, revealing the profound impact of her newfound culinary journey. This is a real story from a member of our Ikigai Cooking Club. If you're one of those who want to incorporate more vegetable into your diet, seek to learn traditional Japanese cooking techniques, enjoy being part of a supportive online community, and are ready to commit to making home cooking a habit, this Ikigai Cooking Club is for you. We offer access to 57 content pieces for self-paced learning, an environment to ask questions whenever you need, 3 monthly meetings for mutual encouragement, and group cooking sessions. Our membership opens its door only 3 times a year, and this current enrollment will close a week from now on. So Be sure to save your seat. I'm really looking forward to growing with many of you. 細かくなって。Now let's check on the hot pot. When adding soy milk, let's make sure it doesn't boil, otherwise it might separate. Feel free to add more miso paste to adjust the taste. The best part of this hot pot recipe is to add the noodle to the leftover soup. But before that, let me taste it first. I'm not gonna lie, for my kids and husband, it wasn't a big hit as they are used to a hot pot which has a meat or fish in it. But for me, it was very comforting and satisfying. チンゲン菜。あ、豆腐好きでしょ？
そう。もうさ、
やろうか。やる？ママ。熱い？
油揚げよし。
あ、よし。おお。どう？なかなか噛み切れない。おいしい？おー、いいね。肘つかないよ。ちゃんとまっすぐ座って。お、これはいいですね。うどんは美味しいんだ。
ね。
食べてもいないのにダメって。
食べて。何これ？
あ、食べたの？あ、それチンゲン菜。
食べた？
ダメだった？スープもダメだった？
スープはお父さんはちょっと厳しい。
厳しいですからね、ジャッジが。どう？
はい。
おいしい？おー、イエーイ。あ、じゃあ味はいいんだこれ。
全部ではないや。きのこと豆腐は違うよ。
きのこの豆腐は嫌なのね、分かった。As always, the exact measurement is on my blog. The link is in the description box below. And if you want to start Japanese cooking this year, we are here to support you in Ikigai Cooking Club. And one more thing, if you like this hot pot recipe, you might like this hot pot next. So be sure to check that too. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye. またね。